Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see right here, just finished. We're doing a really simple, and I mean really simple, super fast, kind of great for kind of midweek kind of meal. Pasta with cream and tuna. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this really simple pasta. So, pasta's cooked and ready. I'm using a penne. You could be using anything you want. You know, tagliatelle, farfalle, up to you, rigatoni, anything you like. Just get it cooked and ready. 1 can there of tin tuna. That one comes in oil. I'm going to keep a little bit of the oil in there. Use anything you like for this. One's in water, one's in oil, whatever they come in. Cream. Now I'm using 1 cup of cream here. This one's quite thick, but any cream works, anything you want. So you can use a heavy cream, a single cream, a runny cream, whatever you call it. Little bit of spices here, like a teaspoon of oregano and chili, optional. I'm using chili powder, like just a little bit of kick in there. I've got some minced garlic there. That's like a hefty teaspoon of minced garlic. Optional. I've got some green olives I'm going to throw in. Bit of cheese. I've got some grated cheddar there, but you could be using a mozzarella or some parmesan if you want. A little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of sliced onion. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, a touch of salt and pepper. That's about it. Super easy. Okay, let's get started. I've got a wok here. You need a frying pan or some sort of thing like that, skillet. I've got some olive oil I'm using today. You could be using any other oil you want. In, go, out, onions. In, go, out, olives. Get them in now. Chili powder and oregano. You could be using basil or something else like that if you wanted. And that garlic. What we're going to do is we're going to throw this around in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Wonderful, we're really nearly there, so simple. So we're going to add in those little bit of bell pepper. You could be adding some different coloured peppers if you want. You could be adding some mushrooms, a little bit of celery, zucchini, up to you. Then we're going to go in with our tuna. And again, 3 to 4 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic. A little bit of black pepper in there. A little bit of salt. Don't go crazy with the salt because you've got the cheese and the olive's going to be quite salty. Now we're going to add in that 1 cup of cream. Like I said, this is a thick cream, but you can be using any type of cream that you want. It will all kind of do its thing in the mix. We're going to add that cheese in. Like I said, I'm using a bit of cheddar, grated. Mozzarella obviously works. Parmesan is great. Let's give this a mix. Let's grab our pasta. Let's get that pasta in the mix there. Now on this heat, keep it moving all the time now for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want to get some sauce on, over, in and around all of our pasta, and we're done. If you wanted maybe some chopped parsley or chopped basil in the mix, but that's it. That's a really super easy, lovely, little quick tuna cream pasta. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.